Well, welcome Class 3Q to today's virtual online lesson for English. Today's date is Thursday, June the 11th. So what we're going to be doing is listening very carefully to a really cool poem for today as we continue on with our poetry unit. The name of this poem today is called I'm a Parrot. I love parrots. They are some of my favorite birds and they're so beautiful. What's so cool about parrots is they're all over the world. And in different places, in different countries, they can be different colors. And of course, we know the funniest thing about a parrot is some of them can even talk and repeat, which is so funny. It's so cool. So here we go. The name of this poem is called I'm a Parrot. I'm a parrot. I live in a cage. I'm nearly always in a vex-up rage. I used to fly, all light and free, in the luscious green forest canopy. I miss the wind against my wing. I miss the nut and the fruit picking. I squawk, I talk. I curse, I swear. I repeat the things I shouldn't hear. So don't come near me, or I'll put out your hand, because I'll pick you if I can. Pick you if I can. I want to be free. Can you understand? Very good. I hope everybody listened and I hope we heard all of the words. So, we're going to be moving forward with our comprehension questions now here in our Edpuzzle. Follow the questions carefully and remember, boys and girls, that you can always listen to the poem again to help you. As the questions move on, you can stop the video and start it again if you're not sure about the answer for the question. You can watch it again. Thank you, boys and girls, for paying attention today, and good luck with your comprehension questions. Bye-bye.